1 Minute Inspirations, Henry Street Church of Christ. Satan won't tear down the castle we have built. Marriage is honorable in all, and the bed undefiled. But whoremongers and adulterers, God will judge. Hebrews chapter 13, verse 4, King James Version. We must think of our marriages as castles we build together as husband and wife. Like a historic castle, it will be attacked. Time, weather, and barbarians will attack physical castles like issues with finances, disagreements, and even adultery will threaten to storm our castles in marriage. However, when each partner's mind is rooted in Jesus, that is all the defense we need. The castle of our marriage is truly impenetrable and undefeated as long as Jesus is the center of the relationship. This will cause husbands to love their wives like Christ loved the church, Ephesians chapter 5, verse 25. This will cause wives to love and respect their husbands, Ephesians chapter 5, verse 33. In doing so, the castle will never be conquered. Remain determined to not let the castle be taken. God bless you. Thanks for listening. This is a ministry of the Henry Street Church of Christ, 309 Henry Street, Gadsden, Alabama, USA 35901. www.henrystreetchurchofchrist.com. Please subscribe to our channel. God bless you.